folks, and welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com Day Trading Wrap, Market Wrap, and Swing Trading Wrap. What we're going to do today is just focus it on the markets at first and then talk about our day trades and swing trades. Again, if you were listening yesterday, you would see that, I wasn't feeling well yesterday, and I'm still not feeling 100%, as you can probably hear in my voice, but we're going to do the best we can and just make it through. And because of the jobs data on Friday today, it gave us some nice swing trades because more volume was in the market. Here you can see the market and how it pushed up throughout the day. This is the daily, and again here we are. This is today, and you can see we closed up here near the highs again. And again, this market's just not ready to go down. It's due for a hardcore correction, but at the same time you can't force it. So until we see all signals pointing to a short, we can't go totally short on all our swing trades. We can do some swing trades as a hedge like we do with the DXD because we're expecting a pullback, but again, on the DXD, we're just expecting a small pullback. We're not going to get greedy and look for a huge move down in the markets. However, saying that, the more we go up like this every day, constantly, the more we're gonna see a move down like February when the Dow dropped 400 points in one day and people got very scared. Alright. Here's the intraday action on the ES. Again, the ES is the S&P futures, and this basically is a preemptive. I like to follow this for pre-screening the market. So when this starts to move big, it usually signals that the other indexes will follow almost immediately. As you can see here, jobs data came out, bam, spiked up, spiked down, moved up to new highs. Then we sold off. But then, just like always, late day volume, late day, buying comes in to close it near the highs on Friday afternoon. Always happens. It's just something now you got to expect with this market. So what's interesting is we were almost flat here until the end of the day. In fact, we went negative right here in the markets. But again, light volume, they were able to push it back up. Let's just take a look at the weekly again. Alright. The weekly here, we thought we saw a pullback possibly starting last week, but look at this. Then this week, pushed up right back to new highs, closed new highs on the ES. Nothing you can do there. You can see the stochastic, how overbought they are. We're waiting for a sell-off, guys, and it's going to come, but again, we're not giving out a short signal, a hardcore short signal, until we get enough signals pointing that way. Because every time everyone else, like let's say we haven't called the exact short yet, but every time anyone else in the market has, whether it's on CNBC or something, they just get squeezed right out as a short play. Just get squeezed, they have to cover for a loss, and it's not worth it. Alright, now what I'm going to bring up here is my P&L box for the day. We had another great day. You can see here we traded CLWT for 336, CPSL for a loss of 26, CSUN for 181, DXD was our swing trade position. We're still holding that even though we were down in open P&L 180 for the day, so we haven't closed that trade out. FNet we made 157, and our SWAT swing trade we lost 67. Okay. Going back to the charts. Now let's start looking at these individually. CLWT. Alright, this was a playoff, a sympathy playoff, CTDC, which as you can see a 280 stock, Chinese stock, up huge, alright? So what we thought, well, CLWT also does Chinese stuff. It's a small floater, runs huge with when all the other Chinese plays run, so let's see. We'll take a shot at it, 2,500 shares. Right in here, we bought at 280, sold it at 294. Alright, 14 cents on 2,500 shares, great gain. Alright, and that's again just knowing what sympathy plays run when Chinese plays run, how to analyze them, how to jump on board when we first see ensuing volume. And again, you got to join this day trading stock chat room at InTheMoneyStocks.com to see how this is really done. And we walk you through, we teach you everything, and you'll be good for sure. All right, CPSL was another Chinese play. Bought in at 253, 2,000 shares. Thought it would run the same. Started to get weak here. At this point, we dumped for a $26 loss, which is just basically a penny loss. No harm done. Gave it a shot. Again, the biggest rules in day trading, if it's not working out, get out right away. Okay. CSUN, another Chinese play. China Synergy. Played this one right here at the open. Right after here, it gapped up, fell back down. They're going to push it up again just because the Chinese plays were hot on Friday. So, what did we do? We picked it up here, sold it right over here for a nice little gain, and can't complain there, alright? 181 on the gain on that. Alright, again, you can focus in on the P&L above this box if you're looking at InTheMoneyStocks.com. If you're on YouTube, then you just have to look back. You can go back and look at that, or just go to our website and look at it on our website. Alright, FNut was another play. This we found later in the day. Alright, what did we see here? We saw a volume, 2 bars of increasing volume here. Alright, halfway through this bar, when the bar was equal to this, we said this is going to go higher. Alright, we saw big bids stepping up, which is, again, analyzing level 2. You got to know your level 2 to be a good day trader in the small cap market, because when big bids step up on tiny stocks, they will jump in. Everyone will follow in. So if you can be the first one in there, you will be golden. And what do? We grabbed it right around here at 990, sold it at 1008 up here. Bam. Quick in and out for 150 and change. Can't go wrong. Alright. SWAT and DXD are our 2 swing trades positions. Not much to say on DXD. When the market's up, the pro share short of the Dow 30 will be down. That's the way it was. It was down 20 cents on our 900. We are overweighted in this again. We do feel that we're going to have a near-term correction, a very sharp one. And I don't mind hedging the portfolio with this play because I'm making money on the long side in all these other trades. So I'd rather protect myself just in case the market rolls over super hard intraday and I can't get out of a couple swing trade or day trades because they just roll so fast. In this case, the DXD goes up, it compensates for my losing positions, and we're safe. And in this case, it compensated for my winning positions by going down, so it's okay. And it only went down, 20 cents. That's okay. Alright, SWAT is another swing trade play. Well, on this one, a very light volume, 5,000 shares here. No big deal. It's just kind of 1,000 shares we're holding. We love the positive divergences on the weekly and the daily chart here. You can see a positive divergence right here on the stochastics with a flat chart. That's a great signal. The MACD looks the same. The weekly looks even better. This will run eventually. It's just a matter of staying with it and waiting. That's pretty much all for today. But what I want to tell you is stay tuned on Monday and again, join our Swing Trades Alerts. I found a new golden play. A golden play. I'm telling you, this play is going to be a golden play when it comes to the Swing Trade Alerts. I love it. The divergences on the weekly and the daily look phenomenal. Phenomenal. I see this play gaining 30-40% in the next month or so. Got to get on board. So I need you all to join the Swing Trade Alerts for this play. Also, if you want to get on board, you're seeing how much money I'm making day trading. Come into the day trading chat room. I will teach you. I will walk you through each play. You can coattail me. I tell you everything I do, when I do it. Can't go wrong. As you can see, just today, you would have paid for the month in almost twice over. And the same as if you look back at the last 7 days, we've made over $3,000 in the last 7 days. That's $3,000 over $3,000 when the subscription per month is only $199.95. Well worth it. You can make a living doing this as long as you know what you're doing and do it smart. And we're here to help you do that. So come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com and learn how to trade like a pro. Take care. We'll talk on Monday.